Hello, friends! Do you know how bees make honey? Of course you do. You've heard this before. You've been told this many times. Let me tell you again. In the fields and gardens of the countryside, there lives a little bee. He works in a big beehive with thousands of other bees. All day long, he flies from flower to flower, collecting sweet nectar and pollen. He stores these in his little bee sacks until his sacks are full. Then he returns to the beehive. Inside the beehive, there is a big vat of honey. The little bee pours the nectar from his sacks into the vat. The honey is so thick that it sticks to the sides of the vat. It also sticks to the little bee's legs and body. He cleans himself by licking his legs and body until they are all sticky and clean. His friend bees do the same thing. Together, they make enough honey for the winter. Now, have you ever wondered how the honey tastes so sweet? Have you ever wondered where the honey gets its sweet flavor from? This is very interesting. Let me tell you about it. Deep inside the flower, there is a lot of sweet liquid called nectar. The nectar is very sticky. When the bee collects the nectar, some of it sticks to his body. The bee carries this back to the hive and deposits it into the honey vat. Now, there is another sweet liquid inside the flower. This liquid is called honeydew. The bees collect this too. Some of it sticks to the bee's body, and some of it falls off. It falls onto the leaves and the branches as the bee flies back to the hive. This is how the bees get covered with sweet liquids. They carry the liquids from the flowers to the hive and make honey. When the honey is made, the bees seal the honeycombs with wax. They keep the honey for the winter when there are no flowers to collect nectar from. The bees also eat the honey to get energy. But why is the honey so thick? Why isn't it runny? That's because the bees deposit their honey in the honeycombs. The honeycombs are made of wax. The wax soaks up some of the honey. This makes the honey thicker. Also, the bees fan the honey with their wings. This helps the water in the honey to evaporate. When the water evaporates, the honey becomes thicker and thicker. In the end, the honey is so thick that it sticks to the sides of the honeycomb. The bees scrape the sides of the honeycomb with their legs. They scrape off the honey and eat it. They also take it back to the hive and store it for the winter. Do you know why the honey is so sticky? It's because of the plants and trees the bees collect the nectar and pollen from. If the plants and trees are healthy, then the honey will be healthy too. If the plants and trees are sick or have pests, then the honey will not taste good. It may even be dangerous to eat. That is why bees are important. They help us keep our plants and trees healthy. When they collect pollen from one plant and take it to another, they pollinate the plant. This helps the plant to make fruits and vegetables. You must have heard about plants grown using modern methods. These plants look healthy, but they aren't. They don't taste good either. This is because pollination isn't done naturally. It's done artificially. But if we use natural methods, we can grow better crops. Natural methods are better for everyone. They are good for the soil, for us, and for the bees. Did you like this story? Do you know any other interesting facts about bees? Share them with us in the comments section. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button right now.